Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a St. Patrick's look. Now St. Patrick is in like a week, I believe. So if you want to learn how to recreate this look, just keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are trying to reach 500 subscribers so we can do a giveaway. Now the giveaway items will be listed down in the description, as long as my social media accounts and everything that I used today in this video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay guys, so to start off, I'm going to be priming my eyelids like usual with the Morphe eyelid primer. Now using the James Charles palette, I'm going to be grabbing Social Blade with a crease brush by e.l.f. I'm just going to be packing this on my crease. Just want this shade to be very vibrant. Now grabbing a Morphe 441, I'm just going to be blending Social Blade out. Old walls that I'm stuck inside, I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your code and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life. The love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. Okay, now there's like almost no product on the brush left, so I'm just going to be blending up towards my brow bone. Now grabbing the shade Daddy on a Morphe 124 brush, I'm just going to be packing it on my eyelid. Now picking the Morphe M433 brush with the same shade Daddy, I'm just going to start blending out the shade in my crease. Gold walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, gold walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I. Now grabbing Social Blade with the Morphe 441, I'm just going to be blending those two shades together. Well, I got your code and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life. The love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. Now I'm just going to do a really small line of liner, and I'm going to tight line my upper lash line as well. To dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Now for lashes, I'm gonna be using the style Gianna. Just looks like this. They're so beautiful. I mean, these are probably like my favorite pair, to be honest, from J Lashes. This one's an Aria as well. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup off of camera because it's usually the same steps. I mean, you've seen in my other videos. So I'll be right back so we can finish the lower lash line. Okay, so on an angled brush, I'm gonna pick up the shade Daddy and place that on my lower lash line. Now using Social Blade with a Morphe 507, I'm going to be blending out Daddy. And make sure you do connect it with the shade on top. You don't want to have a line right here that's like separating the colors. That's a no-no, honey.
Gold walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't.
Okay, change of plans. I went ahead and put face on my inner corners. Just like so.
See it coming. Well, I got your code and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life. The love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life.
Okay guys, and this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Like always, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not already. I do post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.